Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HubSpot CRM detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into HubSpot CRM, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.hubspot.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You'll be redirected to the login page. Here, you'll see options to log in with your email and password. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. After typing your credentials, click the login button below the password field. If your information is correct, you will be taken to your HubSpot dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot My Password link. You'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. After entering your email, click the Send Reset Link button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from HubSpot. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will need to enter the verification code sent to your mobile device. Once you have entered the code, you will gain access to your HubSpot CRM account. Congratulations, you are now logged into HubSpot CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.